In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily set up fingerprint on your Samsung Galaxy phone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to head over to settings. To do that, just swipe down on your home screen and then tap at that gear. On settings, we need to scroll down to security and privacy. Then tap at biometrics here. And then tap at fingerprints. If you have already set PIN, pattern or password, that's where you need to enter it to continue. Then hit at that button. And then hit at register. If you haven't set a PIN, a password or a pattern yet, that's where you will be prompted to do so, and first off you have to do so to continue. After that you will be taken to that tool where we need to grab our device in hand and then just touch somewhere here in this circle. It will show you the progress of this process here, and then we need to keep touching with our finger in this circle. We can slightly change angle and position of our finger in this screen, and we need to keep doing this over and over again until it gets to 100%, just like that. After that, we'll be able to just hit at done because one of our fingers is already set up. However, also we can hit at add to configure another finger. And also we can hit done, and then right from here we'll be able to add another finger by tapping right here at this plus. And then in the exact the same way we can configure another finger. And then once it is done, we can add another one here, or we can hit add done. As you can see, now I got two fingers here. We can add another one, and also if we tap at any finger here, that's where we can rename it, and that's where we can remove any finger from here. So basically that's how we can add different fingerprints to use fingerprint scanner to unlock our device. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.